In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Squarespace. If a customer reaches out with a change of plans, or you spot a mistake that needs to be reversed, canceling an order is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. From your Squarespace dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and find Products and Services. This is the hub for your store's items, payments, and fulfillment. Click it, and then choose Orders. That opens a list of every order placed on your site, along with details like order number, date, customer, payment status, and total. You can scan the list or use the search bar and filters to narrow things down if your store is busy. When you've located the order you want to cancel, click it to open the order details. Take a moment here to confirm you're looking at the correct order. Check the customer name, the items, quantities, and any notes. Cancellation affects both your records and the customer's experience, so it's worth that extra glance before you proceed. Once you're sure, find the Cancel option in the Orders Action area and click Cancel. After you do, Squarespace updates the order's status to canceled and stops any remaining fulfillment steps for that order. Depending on your store settings and the payment processor you use, a notification may be sent to the customer so they know the order won't be shipped or prepared. If you track stock levels, canceling typically returns the items to available inventory, keeping your product counts accurate. A quick word of caution. Cancellations are generally final. If the payment has already been captured, canceling doesn't always issue a refund automatically. Policies vary by processor, so review how your setup handles funds and timelines to make sure the financial side matches your intent. It's also a good practice to let your customer know why the order was canceled and what to expect next, especially if you plan to place a replacement order or offer store credit. Back on the orders list, you'll see the status for that order marked as canceled, confirming everything went through. And that's all there is to it. Go to Products and Services, open Orders, select the order, and click Cancel. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to continue refining your store workflow so future changes and cancellations stay simple and stress-free.